Man, I wish my friends really didn't like just blacklist me from their friend group. Like I have birds, like sure I have birds, but then again, I forgot I had him. Hey Ringo, say hi to the camera. He looks creepy from far away and he looks creepy. But up close, oh, so cute. Okay, anyways, doesn't follow me too much, so look. I don't think he likes being in the camera too much. Yeah, he doesn't follow me too much, so you know, doesn't like follow me. It's probably like he just like, you know, humming around. But anyways, that's his cage, and so basically, yeah, that's his cage. He goes outside to eat and pee and you know all that, and then he drinks Pepsi, and I give him ice cream. No, just kidding. I don't. My mom's gonna. The hairdryer, that's just my mom getting ready to eat with some friends. Like the biggest shit. Okay, sorry. I should not be talking. But anyways, I only have like 1 more minute of the video, so. Oh, by the way, I don't know if my brother's crazy or not, but he bought a gun with a flamethrower on it. He bought a gun with a freaking gun with a flamethrower on it. And he also has a crossbow. Oh, it's right there. And a rifle shell. I farted on my dog one time. I feel bad for doing that. Anyways, I only have like 20 more seconds of the video, so if you guys have any questions, just comment them and I'll start making more videos about my dog. Anyways, bye.